How to link a bank account to Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the dashboard, tap on either deposit or withdraw depending on your purpose. Next, select bank card as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number, account holder name, and bank name. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with future transactions. Once you complete this step, your bank account will be successfully linked to your Exness account. The next time you make a deposit or withdrawal, you can simply select this bank account without re-entering the details. Using a verified bank account ensures a smooth and secure transaction for all your deposits and withdrawals in Exness. Now you know how to link a bank account to Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.